All of a sudden, I felt it like, or not a earthquake or something. All of a sudden, I smelled gas. I just started crying, you know, anxiety attacks and all that. As soon as I just saw them, I just like throw myself at them. I'm like, what's going on and all that? This is like insane. I was so worried. We don't know what's gonna be next. But the thing that is, I just want for the community to be safe.
Yo, I think something blew up on my block, bro. Oh, the half of the Billy just fell, huh? Oh!
Oh my God, the whole building just broke down. Oh my God. The whole thing exploded.